Hey everyone! Sharing your screen in a Slack huddle is a great way to present ideas or collaborate on projects in real time. Here is a specific 3-step guide for beginners based on the latest 2026 workflow. Step 1. Start or join a huddle. Before you can share your screen, you must be in an active huddle session. Open any channel or direct message in your Slack workspace and look for the headphones icon toggle in the bottom left corner of your sidebar or the top right of the chat window and click it to start the huddle. You can use Slack in your desktop application or directly in your web browser. Once the huddle starts, a small control bar will appear with icons for your microphone, camera, and settings. Step 2. Choose your sharing mode. Slack offers different levels of privacy depending on whether you want to show your whole desktop or just one app. Click the Share Screen icon, usually looks like a monitor or a square with an arrow, on the Huddle control bar. A pop-up menu will ask what you want to share. Entire Screen will show everything visible on your monitor. Window will show only one specific application, like a PowerPoint presentation or a coding editor. Tab, browser only, shows a specific website tab. Selecting a specific window is best for privacy as it prevents your coworkers from seeing your background, notifications, or other open apps. Step 3. Manage the stream and stop. Once sharing, you can interact with your content while your team watches. Navigate to the window or screen you are sharing. Your coworkers will see your cursor and any changes you make in real time. To end the presentation, return to the Slack Huddle control bar and click Stop Sharing. If you are completely finished with the conversation, click the Leave button, the red X or hang up icon, to exit the huddle entirely. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.